This scripting manifestation technique completely changed my life. Have you ever written something down and then read it weeks or months later and realize that it's come true almost word for word? That is the magic of scripting for manifestation. Scripting for manifestation is my favorite way to manifest anything: love, money, success, abundance, opportunities. It's hands down my favorite manifestation scripting technique because it feels so simple, almost underrated, yet it is so powerful. I'm currently in Bali, here in a reality that I once scripted as well. So in this video, I'm going to share exactly how to use scripting to manifest anything with a 10-minute scripting technique with examples, of course. And I'll also be sharing how you can dive in deeper into a consistent scripting practice with my 21-day manifestation scripting kit that's now available for you. I'll leave all of the links in the description box below. So one of my favorite scripting for manifestation techniques is called 5 senses activation. This is a session that I guide here in my Bali retreats, and I just did one this morning. So let me break it down for you. So when you're scripting with 5 senses activation, you're not just working with the mind here, you're working with all 5 senses. So you're not just describing what you can see, you're also tapping into what you can hear, taste, touch, and most importantly, feel. Activating multiple senses contributes to human engagement by creating multisensory experiences that evoke emotional response within your body. And the scripting technique of 5 senses activation is so powerful because your subconscious mind can't actually tell the difference between imagination and reality. So when you are flowing through what you see, hear, taste, touch, and most importantly, feel, you're energetically aligning with the version of yourself who is already living and breathing in that reality. And that version of yourself also has a certain set of beliefs that allows you to not only magnetically draw in this specific desire or outcome that you would like to manifest, but receive it and hold it. This is one of my favorite practices and manifestation scripting techniques as a writer and avid journaler because it is using the act of writing as ritual. And you're not just on the surface level of saying, yeah, it would be nice to have this, or I feel good. No, it is really tuning in on a deeper level and an energetic level of how this would actually feel like if you're already living and breathing in this reality. When all 5 senses are activated, you're acquainting your entire being with a full embodied experience so that when it does show up, it already feels safe to receive it. You already feel capable to hold it, to act on it. And you actually feel whole and worthy to not self-sabotage and not push it away, but to hold it and be with it in this current reality right here, right now. So for a step-by-step journaling experience using the 5 senses activation, you can work through this. First, describe what you see. I guide my clients through a visualization meditation, which you can access through the links down below. And then step by step, you can go on to describe what you hear, smell, taste, touch, and most significantly, feel. I always love to go specific because this is what really gets you into the emotional state. I go into what I'm wearing, how my skin looks like, how my hair falls. It's these specific details that prime your subconscious mind and your body into knowing that this is already happening right now. It is already part of your reality. Have you tried this scripting technique for manifestation of 5 senses activation? I would absolutely love to hear. Or if this resonates with you, tell me in the comments below. And for a deeper and more consistent scripting practice, use this code that I'll put up on the screen for $20 off my 21-day manifestation scripting kit. My gift to you. You'll find this particular scripting technique of 5 senses activation to guide you, as well as peeks into my own personal journal pages. They're raw, they're real, they're kind of messy to be honest, but they are so powerful, and I know that you'll get so much value from this insight. The next round, I've got a complimentary live scripting workshop that will fall under the new moon, and these are the perfect times to start scripting your new reality. So I'll leave all of the details in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here for more scripting, manifestation, and creating a lifestyle that you love content. Make sure to subscribe. Your support means the absolute world to me. And for more scripting techniques that you can start doing today, make sure to watch this video next. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always sending you all the groovy love from Bali.